Black spiny tail iguana.
So big.
Nothing says Florida like a Circle K gecko. Oh, and he's gone. I think it was one of those tropical house geckos. Alright folks, I just road cruised this adult banded water snake on the road. It's a pretty big banded, so that's pretty cool. First snake tonight. Alright folks, this didn't take very long, but this little tiny snake here is a Florida cottonmouth that's working its way off the road in this direction. So first cottonmouth of the night, as it is pretty much on the edge of the road here, and I think it's gonna get off on its own. Keep on going and see what else we can find. Big cane toad.
Huge.
Brown basilisk. Oh, that's cool.
And we're not dealing with it.
I love that.
A decent sized coral snake getting real comfortable on George's camera bag.
Yep.
He climbed up here all on his own. And now he's all comfy.
Doesn't want to get out. Now I can't take any pictures of him.
Hey buddy.
What's going on here?
He's pretty curious.
Oh my god, that's a monster coral.
Yeah,
that's a good spot for you, bud.
Well, this coral snake wanted to go onto my camera bag. Now he's over here. First coral snake of 2024.
he's not gonna get away if I let him go.
Hi there everyone. We are in the Everglades right now. I'm joined by the fabulous
What's up, guys?
Peter Crawford. And in front of us, doesn't that look like a hill over there? Well, it's actually not a hill. That's called a cypress dome. And it's actually an illusion because as you can see, we're surrounded by all these little trees or cypress, and we got some different types of grasses here. But the water level, here's my foot, it's kind of shallow right here. So the cypress dome, the reason why those trees are so tall is because the water level is actually deeper. So yeah, there are taller trees over there, but it's not really a hill. The ground level actually gets lower. So it's a pretty cool feature of the Everglades, and we're gonna go check that out. And I'll show you, and Peter will show you too, what the water levels look like in there. So give us a second and we'll be there. All right, we're about to enter the cypress dome. You can see not really a hill. Ready, Peter?
Ready.
So we can already see that the water is getting deeper as we work our way into the cypress dome. Really cool inside here. There's Peter leading the way. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside the cypress dome. And we have Peter over there who is eating his lunch, breaking from our hike. But yeah, so really it's fascinating. First of all, the water is much deeper in here, so the elevation hasn't changed. If anything, we're in a depression. But a couple really cool trees in here. So we got these tall ones. This is cypress. And these little plants that are growing on the side of them, these are called bromeliads. They're actually these air plants, and they're a tropical plant that comes up here into South Florida in the Everglades. So that's really cool. You'll see them growing along all the sides of these trees. This plant right here is actually called the pond apple, and we walked by it earlier, but if you come here, you can see a little pond apple growing on the side of this tree. So there we go, right there. There's the pond apple. So this is not, someone didn't plant this here. This is actually a native tree, and you can actually eat pond apples, although I think I would avoid eating the seeds. That's pretty much what we have here. A bunch of, looks like some like sawgrass here, cypress, pond apple, and just some really cool habitat inside the Everglades. But yeah, Everglades in a nutshell for the most part. We got a huge bear. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, a bear in the Everglades. Well, look at who I just road cruised. A very small little Florida brown snake during the daytime, which is something I don't see very often. Most of the time down here I cruise these guys at night. So that's pretty cool. Little tiny Florida brown snake. This really is one of the smallest snakes I think I've ever road cruised. And it's just like, he's so fragile. We're gonna make sure, we're gonna put the snake right here. And he can go about his business safe off the road. Pretty cool. Good morning, folks. I am actually outside of the Everglades this morning, and I'm in northern Florida right now, cruising around some xeric habitat. And right now, Hurricane Debbie is working her way up the coast, the Gulf Coast of Florida, and I'm hoping that's going to create some prefrontal conditions where snakes will be moving. So right now, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just driving around the xeric habitat looking for snakes, and hopefully we'll get a snake or two, or maybe even more than that on the road. But whatever I find, I'll end up showing it to you. We got a bear, folks. We got a bear. I'm 99% sure that's what it is up there. Oh my god, it's a bear. That's so freaking cool. It's a big bear. Big bear, folks. He's coming right towards us. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool. The bear is just going back and forth across the road right now. I think he finally sees us because he's gone on both sides. I'm inching closer. I don't really want to startle him, but that is so cool. No snakes. I did see a lizard run onto the road, but we got this really big bear right now. Oh, that is so awesome. First time I've gotten really good camera footage of a bear. And I think he's officially spotted us. Oh, that is so cool. Alright people, that bird right there is a Florida scrub jay. It is found nowhere else in the world other than Florida. So it is endemic to Florida. I'm zoomed in with my other camera here. So you can't find this bird anywhere else in the world, which I think is just freaking awesome. 99.9% sure that this is what it is. Could be wrong. Ornithologists might clown me if that's the case, but I'm pretty sure this is a Florida scrub jay. More Florida scrub jays right over here. Oh, that is so cool. Can't tell if that one's foraging there. Looks like it is. Sweet. 3 Florida scrub jays on this tree right now. Oh, that is sick.